Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan of Pran Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh, Shri Budhiya Ramji.
समझदार लोग श्रेष्ठ कर्मों में ही लगे रहते हैं और कल्याण के ही सब कार्य करते हैं। किसी का भला देखकर ईर्ष्या भी नहीं करते हैं। अमृत वचन। मंजिल चाहे कितनी भी ऊंची क्यों ना हो, रास्ता हमेशा पैरों के नीचे ही होता है। भारत माता की जय।
Now let's have a look at the headlines of the past week. Online student communication conducted by the Sarvitkari E-Pathshala for the Sarvitkari Super 100 8th class. COVID-19 vaccination camp organized in Keshav Vidyaniketan, Jalandhar. Online and telephonic Avibhavak Sampark continues in Jalandhar Vibhag. The online meetings of the Alumni Council of Mansa and Sangrur Vibhag and Purva Chhatra Parishad took place. In the Yoga and Music workshop of Jalandhar Vibhag, Mr. Balkrishan said that yoga and music have special importance in the development of children. Prakashvati Vidya Mandir Jalandhar and Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Chokran's children from Shishu Vatika celebrated Pink Day. Development of children by online activities continues in Hajipur Primary and Budlada schools. Now, the news in detail. Under the aegis of the Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Super 100 of Class 8 of Schools of Punjab, an online student interaction was held for 206 talented children registered for pre-foundation course in which keynote speaker Dr. Sudesh Thakur, Senior Scientist ISRO, was present. The importance of pre-foundation course, smart learning in technologies, children's lifestyle, motivation and special focus on their education to do big things in future were explained by Sudesh Thakurji in beautiful and simple words. In this dialogue, Honorable Vijay Nadda ji, who was present online, said that the children of today are invaluable fund of tomorrow's India. Children should emphasize on their special personality traits along with their good scores. On 17th and 18th May, a vaccination camp was set up at Keshav Vidyaniketan, Jalandhar for the protection against COVID-19. In this vaccination camp, the doctor and his team of civil hospital, Sanjeev Sangar, manager of Vidya Mandir, councillor and managing committee member Shaili Khanna and the whole staff were present. This camp vaccinated 250 people. Vivek Khanna, Vice President of Youth Volunteers in Bharatiya Janata Party, Jalandhar, made special contribution in this work. Turmeric and kadha were also distributed in the camp. In this difficult period of invisible enemy Corona, in order to maintain the morale of the parents, the telephonic and online Avibhavak Samparks continuing in the Jalandhar Vibhag. During this Sampark, apart from the measures to prevent Corona, the problems faced by students in online studies are also being solved. These words were said by Jalandhar's Chief Social Worker and Jalandhar Vibhag Sachiv Sumesh Luthra of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. It is worth mentioning that in all the schools of Jalandhar Vibhag, Avibhavak Sampark is going on, which is being supported and welcomed by the parents. Last week, the meetings of the Alumni Council of Mansa and Sangrur Vibhags and Purva Acharya Parishad took place online. Both these meetings were presided over by Jitendra Sharma, the Pran Pramukh of Alumni Council. Sir Pran Pramukh Vinod ji was also present in these meetings. 34 participants attended this meeting. In the meeting, the topic of handling parents and students at the time of the global pandemic Corona was seriously discussed. On May 17, a one-day workshop of music and yoga teachers of all the schools of Jalandhar Vibhag was organized online, in which Prantiya Yog Pramukh Dr. Roshan Lal ji and Co Pramukh Vipin ji, Prantiya Sangeet Pramukh Makbul Ahmed ji and Seh Pramukh Dr. Rajkumar's guidance was provided. 24 members of the Jalandhar Vibhag participated in it. In this online workshop, the North Zone Seh Sangathan Mantri Shri Balkrishan ji had an invaluable presence. He said that yoga and music have special importance in the development of children. Prakashvati Vidya Mandir Jalandhar and Shri Ilam Chand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Chokran Under the guidance of the principals, the Pink Day was celebrated online by the children of Shishu Vatika. The children wore pink dresses and played with pink toys. The purpose of celebrating this day was to make the children recognize the color pink.
हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
पिंक कलर का।
Where there is a will, there is a way. Making this statement, the development of the children through the online activities is continuing in Sarvatkari schools. Classroom activities are also continuing along with the textual activities. Special news in this regard has been received from Srimati Rajni Mahindra Chandra Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Hajipur and Shri Hita Bilashi Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Budlata. Celery and camphor potleys were distributed to increase the level of the oxygen at Shri Muktsar Sahib and Lala Nathuram Singla Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir. Seth Indrabhan Taneja Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Malore celebrated Family Day online. Teachers of Swami Shivanand Sarvatkari Primary Vidya Mandir went door to door to check the children's notebooks. Following the guidelines of Corona, checking of notebooks in Lala Om Prakash Verma Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Sujanpur is going on. Sanitization campaign organized by Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Mukeriya and Seva Bharti. Samarpan program concluded at Srimati Satish Gupta Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Jagrao. Now, under our Vidya Mandir series, presenting before you the beautiful presentation.
शिशु वाटिका मैं तो जाऊं शिशु वाटिका हम सब जाएं शिशु वाटिका मैं तो जाऊं शिशु वाटिका हम सब जाएं शिशु वाटिका शिशु वाटिका शिशु वाटिका शिशु वाटिका हो शिशु वाटिका शिशु वाटिका शिशु वाटिका.
Let us see the video of Shishu Vatika on infant education.
नीले गगन के चिलबन से आती नीले गगन के चिलबन से आती अव्यक्त मीठी पुकार चल रे मना चल तारों के पार कर ले प्रभु से तू प्यार कर ले प्रभु से तू प्यार.
That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.